Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated process of changing your language on Pinterest using your PC. If you're looking to navigate Pinterest in a different language, whether it's to explore content or simply adjust to your preferred language, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find a gear icon. This is where you'll start to adjust your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will pop up. From the options presented, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. On the Settings page, look for Account Management. It's typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Account Management to proceed. Here, you'll find all the settings related to your account details and preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the language option. You'll usually find a drop-down menu next to it. Click on the drop-down arrow to view a list of all available languages. Browse through the list and select the language you wish to use on Pinterest. Pinterest offers a wide variety of languages to choose from, so you're likely to find the one that suits you best. Once you've selected your preferred language, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. The page will then reload, and Pinterest will now be displayed in your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed your language on Pinterest. This new language setting will apply to all menus, buttons, and text throughout the Pinterest website, giving you a fully localized experience. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just follow these same steps again. It's a straightforward process that allows you to customize your Pinterest experience to your liking. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now you can enjoy exploring Pinterest in the language of your choice. Happy pinning!